Hi guys, out at Yate Common again. Give this little fella another try. Last time we tried it, it broke. It's designed for tow line launch. It's supposed to tow it up in a light breeze. Well, there is a bit of a breeze, but not enough to tow it up in. So I'm going to use my bungee. Last time we did that, it broke. So we'll give it another try, see if it breaks this time. No point in doing it, no point in too much tension, because the wings will just flex and snap. So we'll try that. Okay. In one piece. Wind's moving around a bit. Okay, here we go again. Ah. Well, two flights and broken in exactly the same place as it broke the last two times. And this time I'd used two-part epoxy, because I was thinking the super glue I was using wasn't up to it. So I guess we're going to have to put a strengthener on there. It's already got a pair of carbon fibre spars in there I had to put in to strengthen it across the wing. So I guess we're going to have to put one on the tail boom or fuselage. Shame. Still, at least it's not a long video like some of mine. Yeah, nothing wrong with it. Well, I suppose 30% failure rate. It's better than the usual.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.